This is Brian. What I have here, this is the Clorox starter pack here. Comes with the wand, the carrier here, and then it comes with these cleaner pads here. This is what these look like. These little pads here, I guess they're infused with an antibacterial substance, and it cleans the toilet here. Kills 99% of bacterial, it says. All right, how you use this? You just push it on here, pull this out here, and you go to work here. I usually get it wet a little bit, and I kind of hit the top first of the toilet. And this toilet isn't too dirty, so it's not going to need a ton of cleaning, but as you can see, it's got the little infused antibacterial portions in here doing the cleaning here. A lot of times you'll have this ring around here. That's what you need to kind of hit along with the top here, because on the top you're going to get these little black bacterial buildups. Press it here a little bit, let that sit for a little bit in the toilet, and this just goes in the trash. This button here, you press it like that, it drops it down in the trash. That just goes back, and your toilet's clean.